Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Time Mode, and today we will discuss about this draft command. So let's start with the sketch. And in Sketcher, first I will create a rectangle, and now I will extrude this and click OK. And now I want to apply the draft on this block. So let's start with this draft option, and in this draft, the first option I have this face, and then this draw direction is the this is the draft, in which direction you want the draft, that is the direction. Or you can click over a normal face, and then select the stationary face. This is my stationary face, and with respect to this stationary face I want to draft this face, and this face, and preview. This is my preview, and I have one more option. This is add new set. If you want to change the draft value, you should add a new set, and now you can change the draft value. Three side we have 20-degree draft, and last side I have 35-degree of draft. So let's undo this, reset. With respect to this, okay, so I have this option, this parting face. For this parting face I am offsetting one plane, and okay, just increase the size of this plane so that it will be visible properly. Now I will take this draft, and in draft I will change the method to parting face, and this is my parting face. And face to draft, I want to draft this face with respect to this plane. This you can change, or you can add new set, whatever you want. Both option I have already discussed. This is my draft. Only half face with respect to this plane will draft. Undo. Now I want to draft with respect to any surface. So first I have to draw a surface. This is my arc. Now I will extrude this. I change this to symmetry value, and this surface must be bigger than my rectangle. Okay, then select this draft, and now my parting surface is this, and draft I want to draft this face, and this face. And angle, I change the angle to 20. Now hide this surface. Now you see the face will draft with respect to face. Face means that surface which I have generated. You can apply this on this cylinder as well. So first I am creating a surface. Just extrude this and change it to symmetric value, and must be bigger than circle. Now take this draft, parting surfaces, this surface, and face to draft. This is my drafting face, and click OK and hide this. So it is very easy and useful. Now I am going to delete this draft, and again I choose this draft, and in this draft method I have this third option, stationary and parting. Stationary, in this case I can decide my stationary face and parting face separately. So first, this is my stationary face and this is my parting surface. And select the face you want to draft, this and this, click and click, and increase the draft and click OK. Now see, with respect to, now change and delete this and show this surface. Now with respect to this surface, stationary parting, this is my stationary face and this is my parting, and face is this one, again this and this one, and click OK. Now hide this surface. Okay, in the same manner I can generate draft face. This is my stationary face and this is parting, and I want to draft this face. It is not working with this surface, so I will cancel this and I am going to create a new plane. The plane is planar, so because it is a circular, so sometime it is not possible, so I will use this plane as my parting surface, parting face. Select the stationary face and then parting surface and face to draft. I want to draft this face. Okay, this will become, and click OK. So this method is very important and very frequently we use this. Now just delete this draft and select draft again, and this time I will change this face to edge, and with this edge, you can select a stationary edge, and with respect to edge, this will automatically create the draft, or just reset this. And in edge method, just select the edge where you want to create a draft. This is my draft and 10 degree, and in this edge method I have variable point draft. In this method I can define various angle at various point. I need angle at this point, I need some draft at this angle, so you can increase this. Let's increase this, or you want to add new point, just click, or you can change the value, you can increase the value and click OK. So variable draft is also possible with NX. With the method of this edge you can generate. So just delete this and again select this draft, and I have this third method, tangent to face. Just cancel this, and I want to apply a edge blend on this corner and click OK. Now if I want to draft this face, so select draft and simple method with face. This is my stationary face and I want to apply the draft on this face, so it is not possible, one error is coming here. So change this to tangent to face. If you have any tangential face, so you should use this tangent to face and select the tangent face. This is my tangential face. Now you can apply the tangent and click OK. So this will be the result. For my tangential face, we use this method, tangent to face. I have deleted my draft and just show this surface. And for my next option in draft, I have parting edge. So first I have to create an edge, and with this split body, I can split my body with respect to plane. Now hide this. Now I have some edges around this body, and now I want to draft with respect to this line, this edges. Now change it to parting edges. Stationary face, this is my stationary face, and parting edge, this is my parting. You can switch, but inside is not possible. And add new set, click. Here it is not possible, so just expand and list this second, delete this one, and just reverse the direction and click this. So with the help of this parting edge, you can create draft with respect to edges, and we create these edges with using this split body. So that's all for today. See you then.